What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I lost $2,500 this morning across 5 accounts, 2 expresses, 3 evals. And you're going to see the live trade, then I'm going to do a trade recap. So right now you're going to see the live trade. Bang. I don't see why we would revisit that after that closure. Let's see if we come back. I don't know if we will. It's kind of an unneeded area to come back to. I like the way the 5-minute looks. A lot of rejection down here. Let's see if we get our pullback. Be just under 500 of this. Probably pull it up when we get this 2-minute opened. Where can I sneak an entry is my question. I'd like to at least get in some at that fair value gap here, because I think we probably... We both took it, it's okay. I don't think we'll come all the way back down. So fine with my entry. I just haven't seen any retracement. I just want to see us pull back. So the 3-minute, I'm probably gonna do this. And what's 25 from there? Be right here. Wouldn't want to see us just leave this 3-minute and kind of blow. We'll see if we get filled. Stops like right above it. I'm pretty bullish. We'll see if we get filled. Yeah, it just depends where the break even is. Like if it was the external, like so this was I was targeting these kind of both these lows, but this low got taken, so I was kind of less on the shorts after that got taken. So put this in. I mean, if the 3 minute just gets ran and we get stopped out, it is what it is. Go 2 minute. Back to the 5 minute. Looks solid. Looks pretty clean. Unless the 3 minutes gonna get rammed, but I don't think it is. My new break even's like the internal. I think the model's pretty clean itself. If that 3 minute gets ran, it kind of blows. Not a fan of the closure in the 3 minute, but only time will tell. It's on both combines and their expresses. It's on all 5. All 5. I'm fine with it. I like it. It's got potential. It's got a lot of potential. 3 clean buy model. And now we just sit back and watch. I always gonna end up respecting it, which is good. I bought that boop in my trap. I didn't think we'd get that deep into that 2 minute. Looks solid though. One thing that's weird is I don't think we'll chop around, but we are in the 30 minute. But we took the liquidity though from higher time frames to hourly. Once we just see what this hourly does. If it blitzes us down, we're screwed. If not, ES is mega respecting the hourly, so you'd expect it to continue. ES is gonna open a 5 minute. InQ isn't, mean wick getting put in. We could get stopped out in this play out because the stop's not in the best spot, which would kind of suck. Which might end up happening. Might get wicked out, which would kind of blow cock. I needed to not inverse this 1 minute. But it doesn't look too probable with how gonna need to see the buy up happen. Right about now. Right about now. ES hit the 5 minute, which is a good sign. ES is kind of our hope and joy right now. I wish my stop was at this low, but it's not. No, ES, do not sell anymore. It looks like we're stopped out. We need to turn around here. We'll see what happens. I think there's a 100% chance to stop out. Yep, there it is. It's okay. Okay, so now let's get into the recap. Now, there's really one thing I want to take away from today. It was, it should have been a no trade day. So going into the day, right, I was pretty bearish. Why? Because we were creating this bearish 30-minute with the hourly changing the state to the downside right here, right? So you should have been super bearish overall. But where did I mess up, right? I messed up in the aspect of not... So the first, I wanted to see these lows. It was these lows and these lows where I wanted to see. Market open, we create the 30-minute, we open it, we hit it, and we instantly sell off straight down to the lows. And then we take it, we put in a big SMT here. So now I become pretty bullish. I switch my buys. Am I okay with that? You know, you want to be iffy if you're going to switch your buys. But what did I not wait on? I didn't wait on clean action to the upside. So we were starting to respect this hourly. We were starting to respect this hourly right here, right? All right, starting to respect this hourly right here. We did disrespect it. At that time, I zoom in past the 5 minute. I ignore the 5 minute. Now, is this entry the worst? No. I enter off this bullish 3 minute. Stops are 25 points away. I was in for 10 cons. Targeting these highs and these highs. My 2R was right here. Slam me out. Inverse the bullish. You know, never had a chance. Because we took this high right here. This should have been kind of a sign. Maybe this high gets taken before. Maybe you don't take that. But I kind of just want to sit here and chop it up with you guys. Because there's something I really need to get better at. It's letting the 5 minute be clear before I take a trade. I need to make sure my recording. Yeah. Letting the 5 minute be clear before I take a trade. For example, there's no clearness here, right? We're just chopping. Now, if we create this bullish fair value gap on the 5 minute, that's enough for me to go long. All I need to see is probably a tap of that, and you know, you have your lows here, and look, you could get an insane trade to the upside. But because I'm unable to, you know, be patient and wait for like the 5 minute to be clear, there's no trade to be taken here. This is disgusting. This price action is dirty. I shouldn't be leaving the 5 minute until like it's clean, essentially, right? Like, there's no need for me to like even be considering going long or short here, no matter what my bias is, because we inverse this 30, or we respect this 30 minute, we inverse this hourly, but we still are respecting it in a way. We're in a 4 hour bearish. There's really just no need to trade today. And look, if this 5 minute doesn't get created, there's no trade. There should be no trade today. The biggest thing is like, it should be no trade. I guess I really don't know what else to say. I mean, the setup is all right. I mean, my entry wasn't in premium or anything, but I did wait for a fair value to be created 3 minute. I just need to take it one step back, 3 minute to 5 minute, right? You can hear a helicopter right now, sorry. But basically, let's go on, yeah. Basically, I just need to take a step back and really recognize that it's the 3 minute, the 5 minute time frame I need to be waiting on, right? It's not the 1 minute or the 2 minute or 3 minutes. So I'm proud that I wasn't too zoomed in on the 1 minute or too zoomed in on the 2 minute. It was the 3 minute, right? So I could look at this and be like, oh my God, I'm an idiot. No, I'm gonna look at this and be like, okay, I was able to avoid those 2 time frames. Let's avoid one more. Let's go only 5 minute. Let's go only 5 minute, right? And that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm really never gonna take a trade on the 3 minute and the 5 minute unless there's clean 5 minute displacement. Now, is that a higher time frame fair value gap and the 5 minutes displacing out of it? Maybe. Is that it just depends on the context. But I really needed to slow my trading down and take less trades. Less trades are the key. And the thing is, so I'm up 800 on my one account. I am 500 away from blowing the 3 evals, not a big deal. And I'm 1,000 away from blowing the other express. So I'm about $2,000 away from losing the expresses, which is fine. I've got my one payout though, and that one payout clears the ORI table. I am ORI positive for about 8 more accounts, fully express paid, $200 each. So I'm not that big. If I blow everything, I'll just buy 3 evals. I'll do 3, not 5, 3, not 1, 3. I'll trade those, pass them, activate them, game over. We'll trade those. It's all about the ROI game is what you have to do. And I'm ROI positive, so I will stay ROI positive. But yeah, I just need to stay true to the 5 minute. I know that, and I will. I'll get better at it. It's something that takes time. It's not an overnight thing. It's about getting better as a human, getting better in my trading, and that's the goal. It was a positive day. I'm going to take a W day, even though I lost, and move forward. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe, join the Discord link in the description. Keep grinding. God bless. It will pay off.